9 home remedies that will help tackle pleurisy. Struggling with chest pain which worsens when you inhale or cough. Pleurisy is a condition in which the membrane which covers your lungs and lines your chest cavity becomes inflamed. In some cases, this inflammation may occur with fluid accumulation in the space between your chest wall and lungs, a condition known as pleural effusion. Although chest or lung infections like pneumonia or influenza are the most common cause of pleurisy, it can also occur due to various other conditions such as pulmonary embolism, lung cancer, rheumatic fever, and connective tissue disorders such lupus. And depending on the cause, other symptoms may occur along with chest pain. Treatment for pleurisy depends on its cause. Antibiotics, painkillers, and anti-inflammatory may be used to tackle infection and inflammation, which are common to many underlying conditions. If you have pleural effusion and it is causing breathing problems, your doctor may drain the fluid. Meanwhile, a pulmonary embolism may be treated with medicines such as anticoagulants or thrombolytic medications, while lung cancer may require chemotherapy, radiation, or surgery. While you will need to probe deeper and tackle the causes of pleurisy promptly, many home remedies can also help you deal with the condition. 1. Lie down on the side that hurts. Do see a doctor if you experience chest pain. As we've seen, some conditions that cause pleurisy require medical treatment. Your doctor may examine you and conduct tests to determine how severe your condition is and what is causing it, and then advise you on whether home remedies will be sufficient treatment. Here's a simple tip to ease pain due to pleurisy. Though it sounds a bit odd, lying down on the side that's affected can actually help relieve chest pain if you have pleurisy. This is because this restricts movement of your chest wall. 2. Have garlic. Garlic has traditionally been used to treat pleurisy. Organosulfur compounds present in this common condiment give it powerful anti-inflammatory powers and help it support your immune system. Moreover, studies show that it can act against bacteria which cause chest infection. Traditional healers recommend having a clove of garlic on an empty stomach along with some water every day to tackle pleurisy. Speak to your doctor before taking garlic so it doesn't interfere with any other medication you are on. 3. Try honey. Honey is an ancient treatment for pleurisy that's even mentioned in the classic Hippocratic Corpus. So how does it work? It has been found to reduce inflammatory mediators like TNF-alpha and COX-2 and thereby exert an anti-inflammatory effect. Research also shows that having honey can decrease the concentration of prostaglandin E2, a lipid mediator which has a role to play in inflammatory pain. Honey has potent antimicrobial properties as well and may fight pathogens that can cause lung infections such as pneumonia. 4. Have pleurisy root tea. Pleurisy root, or Asclepias tuberosa, as the name suggests, has traditionally been used to tackle the inflammation and pain associated with pleurisy. It is also considered a natural treatment for respiratory infections like pneumonia and bronchitis. A pleurisy root tea or tincture is usually recommended 2 to 3 times a day as a remedy. However, this herbal remedy may cause heart problems in some, so speak to your doctor before using it. 5. Drink turmeric milk. A spice that's famous for its potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It also works as an analgesic and may help ease chest pain caused by pleurisy. In fact, like honey, it too can reduce prostaglandin. Research also indicates that it can act against bacteria which can lead to lung infection. Boil turmeric powder in milk to make yourself a healing cup of turmeric milk, or steep turmeric powder in hot water to prepare some turmeric tea. Add a dash of honey to sweeten this drink and increase its healing power. 6. Try ginger tea. Ginger, another common condiment, can help you deal with pleurisy. Studies show that ginger has strong anti-inflammatory effects which can inhibit the release of prostaglandin. Ginger might, therefore, act like nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, which ease pain and inflammation. And not surprisingly, animal studies show that ginger has an analgesic effect too. Moreover, research indicates that ginger can also act against pathogens which could attack your respiratory tract and cause chest infections. Simmer chopped ginger in water for about 10 minutes and strain to prepare your cup of ginger tea. 7. Have Tulsi. Considered sacred in India, Tulsi or holy basil has many beneficial effects and may help if you have pleurisy. Animal studies show that this medicinal plant has significant anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. And like some NSAIDs, it is a COX-2 inhibitor. Tulsi has also traditionally been used to tackle respiratory infections, with studies showing that it can inhibit pathogens which may cause chest infections. Have fresh Tulsi leaves or steep the dried leaf in hot water to make a cup of bracing Tulsi tea. 8. Drink caraway tea. The aromatic caraway seeds have traditionally been considered helpful in tackling pleurisy. It contains a compound known as carbone which demonstrates anti-inflammatory effects and can reduce the biosynthesis of prostaglandins. Animal studies also show that caraway works as a natural analgesic, so it might help ease chest pain. Steep around 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of dried and powdered caraway seed in hot water to make a cup of soothing caraway tea. 9. Try slippery elm. Herbal healers recommend slippery elm for dealing with pleurisy. It is thought to have a soothing effect on chest infections aside from pleurisy. Though the effectiveness of this herb in treating pleurisy and the mechanism through which it works aren't yet established, research does show that it can soothe sore throats. So it might at least be helpful if you have pleurisy linked to a respiratory infection. An infusion can be made of this herb by steeping it in hot water. Thank you for following us and sharing our information. Only for our followers we have prepared a selection of reports for your health. You can request your gift in the link that we publish in the description.